this question about resonance. Have you heard it in school? Resonance.
Yeah.
So the two springs attached to both sides, top and bottom of an object. So the system has a natural frequency. This bottom is initially at rest, stationary, okay, and this system is oscillating a little bit with its natural frequency, okay, and now this person will change the frequency of the oscillator at the bottom here, make this thing vibrate up and down, okay, and he will change this frequency slowly until this frequency matches the natural frequency of the system. Let's see what happened. Slowly changing the frequency. See the oscillation. This indicates the amplitude. The drawing on the board. Keep increasing the frequency. Come on. Still little oscillation. Keep changing it. Okay, here it is. Almost. You see a weird behavior here, right?
Yeah.
It is dancing crazily. This is resonance. When the driven frequency of this motor matches exactly the same with the natural frequency of its oscillator, the springs. Okay, so that match frequency is 3.3233. Okay, so when the external frequency that exists on the system is exactly or almost equal to the natural frequency of the oscillation, the energy and the amplitude of oscillation becomes a lot greater, dramatically increased. Okay, this phenomenon is called resonance. It's the same principle with the resonance in our guitar, the wooden box around the guitar or violin or piano. Okay, that use the resonance to amplify, to make the sound louder. Okay.
Yep.
Resonant. So sometimes you can tell a girl that, you know, I'm resonating with you. We're having the same frequency, something, same interest, same chemical reactions, making our heart oscillating crazily. Okay, so return to the question. The natural frequency is F0 on the graphs, F0, natural frequency. Periodic force, driven force, external force, of frequency F is applied to the object. With the following graphs, best shows how the amplitude A of the oscillation of the object varies with F. But if you search for the word resonant graph on the internet, you will see and probably can memorize the shape of that graph resonance. Is like a mountain. Just remember, it's like a Fuji mountain or the very high mountain, the Fuji mountain graph resonance.
Yeah.
Or Everest, the highest mountain in the world. Yeah, Everest. So the answer of this question about resonance is answer A. When the external driven frequency matches the natural frequency, is the peak greatest amplitude. Okay,